going on, everybody? Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I got a few projects that I'm doing out in the yard now. I broke down a bunch of heat-treated pallets. I'm making some raised garden beds where I'm planting my strawberries, and then I have a few more to make. I'm going to plant some potatoes, horseradish, and then I even picked up a galvanized steel garden bed that I have to put together for the asparagus. Well, let's not waste any more time. It's Warm Wednesday. Let's hop in that bin. Okay, there's a few little guys on the cover, the bubble wrap. I don't know if you can tell, the bubble wrap has kept those leaves that I sprayed some water on pretty moist. What the heck? I don't know what that is, but that's getting out of there. Okay, so the last feeding was avocado and apple. Oh, there's the top of the avocado. Okay, nothing too much is going on with that piece of apple. Oh, I still seeing some plastic. Oh, that was the stem of the apple. Couple little worms. Okay, nothing much. Oh. Not a worm ball like I was hoping for, but there was quite a few right underneath of it. Ooh, yeah, it's mushy. I don't know if I can get the avocado out of the skin. Oh gosh. Okay, I was looking to see if anything maybe went behind it. Okay, let's see if anything's going on in the tube. Get in there. Shoot, another piece of plastic. Another piece of plastic. I normally am pretty careful about what I shred, but apparently this is something got in there. Okay, motorcycle. Okay, well, it's good. I don't see any of the spinach. I still have that lettuce core, but all the spinach is gone now, which is good. And this end seems to be kind of moist, I guess, from the apple and the avocado. So what I'm going to do, oh wow, is get a chance to move the feeding zone over here. I'm actually not going to add really any more to it. It still has the apple cores
and the avocado. Maybe I'll leave the avocado up, see if that helps it out. I'll put the cardboard tube by it, and I'll add the plant material. I'll drop the coffee filter in there. Here's some coffee. And then I'll add my grit. So going for my normal mix, a little bit of peanut shells, a little bit of sand, and some eggshell. I don't think I turned this side too much. Oh, a couple nice sized guys over here. Oh yeah, my other little tubes. Guess I'll pop them a little closer to the feeding area. Look at that guy. Wow, another one. Oh shoot. A couple of nice ones over here too. Okay, well good. Now I just got to get them all right there. Okay. Well, thank you for watching. Hopefully the next time they'll be a little bit more into this avocado. So have a great day.